Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee and I'm going to show you how to enable and fix the microphone not working in Google Chrome. So first let's open up Google Chrome, then in the top right here these three little dots, let's press them and come all the way down to the bottom to settings. Now we're in settings, you want to come to privacy and security on the left. Then you want site settings towards the bottom here. Now if you don't see this, you can search for site settings here at the very top and it'll take you to the exact same page. Well, we'll go through privacy and security and site settings. Then you want to come down to microphone and you want to go into that. Now here at the very top, you want to make sure you've selected the correct microphone for your Chrome. Then underneath, you'll select Sites can ask to use your microphone. If you have don't allow sites to use your microphone, no site will be able to use your microphone through Chrome. So you want to make sure the top one's ticked here. Then every site what is asked will be listed here below, whether they're not allowed or allowed. And you'll be able to change if the site that you want to use it on has been disallowed. You'll be able to move it so it's allowed. So that's how to fix microphone not working in Google Chrome. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.